So I'm going into Walmart here. Walmart reported really good earnings, and Home Depot's wasn't all that good. So I decided to go with Walmart. So I'm buying Walmart stock, 80 shares, currently in the hole, $12.80. So alright. Now I found this earnings report on Walmart on the earnings calendar of the NASDAQ. You can just go to Google and Google that and it'll pull up. Oh, there goes that spike. I'm going to buy this on my Robinhood. Oh, I already did. Never mind. I'll set it up to go ahead and sell just in case. Alright, oh, already up $36. That's good. $48, $32, $38. Look at her go. Look at her go. She's already broke that very first red candle bar. Broke the top of it, and it's just going and going. We got in at a good spot. Good spot. Look at it go. $62 now. Oh, broke the next bar. Let's put this on a 5-minute calendar so that we can see better what's happening as it's happening. Come on, baby. We got a little pullback. Love to get the pullbacks, that way you can get in at a good spot. See, this one's already 0.75% return. As soon as this dies off, oh, there it goes. See how it did? Make that money. $83, $85, and this is only 2 or 3 minutes into market open. Got a little pullback. See, it broke this bar right here. So now this is our support, and we don't know where the resistance is yet because it hasn't got up there yet. We got a little price rejection. See how it's coming down to right there? Yeah. See, that's our support. It don't want to drop too far below that. See, it's going up some more. Got a little more price rejection. And this yellow line is the previous day's close. This is what Walmart closed at yesterday at 4 p.m. was 150.70 something. Now this probably ain't gonna get no 5 or 10% return or anything like that because it is a mega cap stock, so you know you usually don't see that. I'm gonna go back to the minute chart so we can get a better idea of what's going on. Alright, don't freak out if you see that big red candlestick. That's just it's just what's going on. And you got all these people that came in right here and bought right here and right here and right here. Well, now they're starting to sell. So now this red bar is doing what it does. The red bars are just the sellers taking their price. See how it's going back up? See how that's going back up? Went all the way to, see, look, there it goes. Alright, we got a little bit more sellers coming in. See, they was waiting. They knew that was going to happen. They knew it, and they was waiting on it. They said, we're going to sell a couple more shares, get a little better price. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. And don't keep a tight stop loss either. See, I got a mental stop loss. I went in right here and I got a mental stop loss of anything below 149.20. I'm selling. I'm just going to cut my losses and go. Oh, see? See, it's getting scary. It's getting scary. Oh. Oh, got the green bar. Come on, bulls. Bulls are investors and traders that buy stock. And bears are investors and traders that sell stock. They basically bet that the stock price is going to go down. Come on. Come on. See how it wants to go up there and do that? Look at it. All these traders coming in saying, ooh, that's cheap. We're going to buy that. I prefer to trade on a 5-minute chart. It's just, it's a lot less frightening. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. See how it pulls back a little bit? It's pulling back just a little bit there. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, Walmart. Come on, Walmart. Come on, Walmart. Oh. 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 Don't panic. Don't panic. Oh, we got the next bar. Oh. See, we're already at 55.20. Come on now, what are you gonna do? Oh, oh. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We'll just let it do its thing and see what happens. Yes, it broke the bar. See, I did that, just barely cracked that bar right there. Come on. So it broke that bar and it's done gone. We needed to break this bar here. Yes, and that's what it did. That's what we like to see. Already at $87. Come on, baby, shoot for the moon, shoot for the moon. Shoot for the moon. Come on. Yes. I like money. Come on. Yes. Yes. There we go. 111, 115, 102, 105, 118, 126, 134. Yes, that's what we like to see. That's what makes us happy. 142, 143. 145, 147, 148, 152,